Hello everyone. Welcome to Happiness Mastery, where you find life-changing information with motivation. In this video, we are going to understand law of giving and receiving and the science behind it. The richest person, like Bill Gates, was told to do charity during his worst time of health. By doing charity, he is at the place where we are seeing him today as a successful businessman. And further, we will apply law of giving and receiving to solve most common questions like how to become happy in life if you are sad or depressed, how to become healthy if you are suffering from mental or physical illness, how to become successful in career if you are an employee, and how to clear exams if you are a student. So let's start with the science of law of giving and receiving. It starts with subconscious mind. If you don't know about subconscious mind, then press I button at the top of this video to watch my video on this topic. Now, the language of subconscious mind is visuals and emotions, and the subconscious mind is non-judgmental mind. Therefore, it accepts everything, whatever you visualize with happiness or fear. Let's take an example. Many times you feel that something is going to be wrong and you make visualization or picture of the worst conditions with emotions of fear or worry. Such conditions are picked up by subconscious mind and the worst condition occurs in your life. Same happens with your positive visualization and positive feelings. For example, if you are confident to clear any exam, after completing and remembering all your syllabus, the positive image and feeling of confidence is accepted by subconscious mind and thus you get excellent results. If you are a student and want to crack exam with the help of memory improvement and know what's the role of subconscious mind to clear your exam, then watch my video on this topic by pressing I button. It will help you a lot. Moving to the topic. Now, you understand the non-judgmental nature of subconscious mind. During the law of giving, it plays an important role in receiving. Let's understand it properly. As you give something to someone, whether it is physical object or thought or prayer, our mind clicks or snaps the image of giving. For example, if you give charity, then the image of charity is snapped in our mind. Now, if you have positive emotion during giving, then the subconscious mind starts its work on receiving part. As we know that subconscious mind is 95% of our total mind, whatever goes into our subconscious mind, it starts to manifest in our lives. But for receiving everything in our life, we must take continuous actions, as no one is going to put bread in our mouth if we keep our mouth open. It's the action that gives us result. Now let's understand type of giving, namely physical giving, mental giving and spiritual giving. In physical giving, you are giving things which are physical in nature like money, time, gift, etc. And in mental giving, you are giving thoughts and images like positive or negative thoughts. And in spiritual giving, you are giving prayers. Now, as you have enough knowledge about the law of giving, let's get the answers of our question. Number 1. How to become happy in life if you are sad or depressed? The answer is giving your mind the workout of meditation, physical exercises and taking actions which will improve you and help you to overcome the situation which causes you depression. The science behind this is that the emotions are due to the thoughts and chemicals produced in our mind. During sadness and depression, low level of serotonin, oxytocin and dopamine are produced. Therefore, to counter this situation, oxytocin, dopamine are the chemicals which produce happiness or bliss in body. Now during exercise and meditation, these happy chemicals are produced. If you want to know more about how to become happy, click I button to watch my video on this topic. If you give your body time and care, It will help you to get out of sadness or depression. But for receiving, you have to do exercise or meditation. Now, let's move to the next question. How to become healthy if you are suffering from mental or physical illness? In this situation, watch a very informative video of Dr. Joe Dispenza in the description on how to cure incurable illnesses. Now, let's understand what should we give to get better health. The mental illnesses is due to the uncontrollable negative thoughts. Now, the science of thought is that they are repetitive in nature. For example, you will have similar type of thoughts at similar places. Places have vibration. Now, thoughts are stored in our subconscious mind, and as subconscious mind is habitual mind, you have similar type of thoughts at similar situation or places. Therefore, to break this pattern of negative thoughts, you have to do meditation to increase your vibration and break negative patterns, and do conscious positive thinking. The science behind this is that by meditation, the patterns of our subconscious mind breaks, and we are in contact with subconscious mind and can create positive thoughts to reprogram our negative thinking pattern. Now, let's move to depression. During meditation, oxytocin or love hormone is produced, which can cure depression. As depression is negative emotion, the love chemical can cure it. So, to cure depression or sadness, meditation is the action you have to take for receiving. Now, let us move to the question how to become successful in career if you are an employee. But the most of the people are not motivated or not enjoying their work. So, how can it be cured? The answer is law of giving and receiving. If you are an employee, then think about the number of people you are directly or indirectly influencing to. For example, if you are a government employee in police, you are contributor for peace of total people living in that town. So, the circle of your influence is the total person influenced by your work. If you are working in multinational company, the product which that company is making, you are the contributor of that product, and directly or indirectly your circle of influence is the total customer of that company. Therefore, thinking about important role you are playing in the lives of people, you will be motivated to work in your career or job. You are the giver of your time, energy, mind, body for that career, and you are receiving the salary or the experience from that job. The experience will increase your value. I have seen many managers converting into owners by experience. So, in career, you have to give your time, mind, creativity, energy to get promotion or experience. Now, let's move to the question how to clear exams if you are a student. Now, as a student, the application of subconscious mind is very important for success in exam. As a student, you have to give your time, mind, discipline and set the mindset to do the job responsibly. If you develop capabilities to handle and take the responsibility of the people which are influenced by you, then it will be very easy to clear the exam. There is a spiritual law behind it. The person who has the power gets the responsibility. In this sentence, the meaning of power is the mental capability of a person to take the responsibility. If by study, knowledge or by experience you get mental capability, your chances for clearing that exam will be increased. In studies, the study, knowledge, experience, discipline are the things you have to give to get the job. That's all for this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, then watch similar videos in the playlist and subscribe this channel. Thank you.